wrestling, Colton has become a New York State champion. Think about this, a state champion from a school that is 7 to 12, and we have about 700 students. Think about this and think about the journey and the incredible accomplishment built on countless hours of dedication, hard work, and truly inspiring relentless drive. Witnessing that final match was a masterclass, a lesson for us all, providing, when you think about it, proving to everybody that when you put your mind and your soul into something, nothing can stop anybody, anything is possible. Saturday morning, I usually get up and read Newsday, which sometimes is a good thing, sometimes it's not a good thing. So this one was an interesting article because I got to the sports section and there was the wrestling match and talking about the wrestling and the trip to the state. And I read a statement from Colton that said, I'm going to win. I'm going to win the New York State Championship. And I was like, I love his determination. I love his drive. I know that we were talking to his dad, Eric, around the meeting and said, Colton, you should say something more kind of, vanilla type of thing. I'm going to try. And Colton turned around to his dad and said, yeah, Dad, but I knew I was going to win. So I love that. So as soon as I heard the news, it was 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, I was in the office. That he made the finals, I jumped, and thank goodness to my good driving, I made to Albany in time for the final match, and it was truly an amazing match. I was sitting next to Mom and a family friend, and it was something that I will remember for the rest of my career. So at this point, it is with immense honor, and for the first time in my career, that I have a state champion. So I'd like to invite to the podium, I don't see where he is, I hope he is. Colton, come on, let's try to do it. So let's have Coach People, please come in. Our coach, good job. Let's have Dad, who's also up there with the coaching side. Come on. And I'm going to give the microphone to Ms. McEntee to talk about the real stats.
Thank you to the Board of Education and Central Administration for having me here tonight to celebrate and honor our winter student athletes and to present the physical education and health update. At this time, it's my honor to present our first winter athlete, and we will be honoring Colton. Only a freshman, Colton has made his mark in Oyster Bay, East Norwich history. Colton is the first member of the wrestling program to achieve a state title status of New York State champion. Colton entered the New York State tournament ranked 9th in the Division II, which just means small school, 108-pound weight class. Determination, hard work, tremendous skills, and confidence led him to defeat the #1 seed in the quarterfinal round and the returning champion of the 108-pound weight class in the finals. His precision, timing, and I'm gonna win attitude helped him stay focused on task when facing a 7-2 score deficit after the first period. Colton cut the lead in the second period to 7-4, and then tied it 7-7 in the third period. Overtime in wrestling is sudden victory, meaning the first person to score a point wins, regardless of how much time goes by. This is where Colton thrived, securing his state championship title in the first 10 seconds of overtime. To reiterate how incredible this victory was, Colton held his opponent scoreless for approximately 4 minutes and 22 seconds to secure his win. Colton, we are so incredibly proud of you, and we cannot wait to see what you have in store for us in the future. Congratulations.